In this video, I'll be showing you how to track changes and also turn off track changes and also lock track changes on Microsoft Word. Yeah, this is a whole package. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So just like I said, we are going to first track changes. We are going to turn it on and off. So now let's try to do that. So we have this document here, and let's say I'm going to collaborate with my friends, right? So I want to track the changes. So what I'm going to do is, at the review tab here, you see all the tabs here, you move to review here. Good, you should find it here. You see track changes here. So to do that, you just tap on it and you tap on track changes, and yeah, you've turned that on. So to turn it off, you just come here, just tap on it like that, and then it's been turned off. Good. So now the next thing is we are going to, use the track changes. Yeah. So we tap on it again to track the changes. And now let me try do something here. So let's say I tapped on the track changes here, right? I've turned it on, and then I've saved the document, and then I've sent it to my friend. So let's say I'm my friend right now and I've opened it. So I'm deleting something from this document. So I'm going to delete them. Good. You can see there is a bar here. When you tap on it, you see there is something red here, and it's showing Michael. That's my name. I deleted them from this section. Good. And now let me come here, and let's say the reading, I made it that. Good. And you can see I deleted reading, and then I've made it that. Right. Good. Let's come to the bottom. Oh, I don't have any documents. I don't have any words there. Now let's try to do something here. Good. So you can see they are saying this was a small letter, but I've changed it to capital letter. I see the D. Anywhere the changes is, that's where you're going to see the highlights. So that's it. So if my friend saves it and send it to me, once I open the document, I'm going to see all this. Mostly it's red here. You tap on it, it takes you to where the changes has been done. You see something like this. Tap on it, tap on the red, and it's showing you every place there's been a change. Yeah. So sometimes if you don't lock your track changes, people can save the changes they make on the document and send it back to you. So it's very much important that you lock your track changes. So tap on this here, and you see lock tracking. You are going to set a password on it before you save it and send it to your friends. So after that, when they make any changes, they cannot accept it. You would have to accept and reject it. So now we tap on the lock here. We enter a password here. Something like this. You enter another password here. And then you tap on the OK. You need to match and you're good to go. I'm not going to do that. And now to accept changes, you come here. Something like this. You see this here. So I tap on it and I come here and I accept this change. That's for only this one. So let's say I want to accept every change on it. So I'll just come here and tap on accept all changes. Good. So let's say I want to reject this one rather. So I tap on this here and then I reject. You get me? Or I reject everything. That's for everything. So that's it on the track changes feature on Microsoft Word. So I've showed you guys almost everything. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And I think that's it for the video. Peace.